Okay, now let's discuss about the fourth ground. Students, before the names of some books, especially in front of the holy books, we are using the particular article the. For example, the Vedas, the Puranas, the Bible, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita. So those are the holy books. So we have to use the particular article the in front of the holy books. I hope you can understand this easily. In front of the holy books, you are writing the particular article the. Next, I'll move on to the fifth ground. Before the nouns of things unique of their kind. For example, especially the are those are the unique features of our nature. For example, the sky, the sun, the earth, the Mars, the Venus, the Jupiter. So whenever you are referring something unique of their kind, then definitely we are using the definite article the, and you should always keep in your mind, especially the sun, the sky and the earth. So there is a chances of arising such questions. They will ask you to test whether you know in front of sky, sun and earth, whether you have to write the or not. So there is a possibility of asking the questions about the nature's uniqueness. Then sixth one, superlatives. Students, in the next chapter, what I am going to introduce you about the degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees you will get: positive, comparative and superlative. What is superlative degree? That I am going to explain you in the next my grammar lesson. Before that, here I am going to tell you in front of superlatives, in front of the adjectives you will be in superlative degree. In front of adjectives you are going to use the article the. For example, the most intelligent, the most beautiful, the tallest, the strongest, the youngest, the smallest, the wisest. So in front of all the superlative degrees, in front of all adjectives, you will be have to use the particular article the. Then comes the ordinals. In maths you might have studied what are the ordinal numbers: the first, the second, third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, like that it goes on. So in front of all the first, second, third ordinal numbers, we will be using the article the. Then before the musical instruments, very important, before referring any in the name of a musical instrument, we have to use the particular article the. For example, the flute, the guitar, the harmonium, etc., etc. Those are the names of different musical instruments. Dear students, once again I want to revise my today's grammar class, that is about the particular article the. The particular article the is used in front of plurals. They are used whenever you are referring a particular thing or particular person, or already if you are referred with, then you will be using the in front of oceans, seas, deserts, in front of group of islands, mountain ranges. We have to use the particular article the. Then comes in front of holy books. Definitely we will be using the article the. Then before the nouns of things in unique in their nature, if they are exhibiting their uniqueness, then we have to use the particular article the. For example, the sky, the sun, the earth. Then in front of superlatives, especially in front of superlative degrees, if the adjective is in superlative degree, then we have to use the particular article the strongest, the mightiest, the most beautiful, the most intelligent. These are the superlatives. So in front of that we are using the particular article the. The last but not the least is before the musical instruments, the flute, the guitar, the harmonium, etc., etc. So dear students, now I hope I have clarified your doubts on the particular article the. So in the test you will have some questions on articles, and after watching this video you have to open your reader, go to the first lessons grammar exercise, and there are some questions on articles, and try to solve without your parents' help. Okay, if you have any doubts, please give a voice message by asking your questions, and I'm ready to clarify your doubts. Thank you students, thank you so much for watching my video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.